YouTube? It's Cheap Survival coming back at you again. My let's call this mid-January EDC update. This year I'm gonna start doing them every 2 weeks because it's been changing quite often since I've been here, and my buddy from North Dakota finally got out here and brought my knives with me. So these are my knives I've been EDCing. My Kershaw. I'd actually show the model on that one. Oop. Pop back open. Little cheap Walmart blade. Been in the EDC. And by the little Kershaw, I think this is Swift 2 is what it's called. Shuffle 2, something like that. I got a little change container. One of my multi-tools. Flashlight. Pill bottle, in case some Tylenol, ibuprofen, that kind of stuff. Lighter. Pen. This little thing. I'll break it open one more time, make it real quick. Okay, got it broken open. Got another flashlight, little knife, tea, condom, Neosporin, some blood glucose pills, memory stick, some Tinder things I have, a bunch of band-aids, that type of stuff, antidiarrheal, then water purification tablets. That's it for that. Got my bandana, wallet, as always. This is a new little bit of gear I got. Got this from Friend. Little big holder. Keep around my keychain. Little bottle opener. Key. Lucky Penny. Halo insignia. It's the Halo lanyard. And I think that's about it for the EDC wise, but this is going to be what I'm going to be carrying starting today. My Marines knife. Had this knife for I think over a year now. Beautiful knife. Great EDC blade. Love the feel of the handles. Not sure if I ever did a review on this. I'll have to look that up if I haven't. Do a little review on this. Not sure the model number or anything, because when I got it, it just said Marines, and that's it. It's the only info I can ever find on it. Marines. It says, oh, okay, it does not want to focus at all. USA designed, officially licensed by USMC. So I'm gonna guess that means it's probably made in China, but designed in the USA. Whatever, it's a good knife. That is my mid-January EDC update. I have to do a little knife sharpening. My little Smith's knife sharpener. Works pretty good. Yeah, that is my EDC update. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It's been Cheap Survival. Over and out.